Welcome to the Bobcat Man 61 YouTube channel. I'm Johnny B. On tonight's video, we're going to install Tiger lights. So if you want to see an upgraded light set, put on a Bobcat Toolcat, stay tuned. We're going to replace the factory Toolcat lighting with the Tiger lights, TL5655. This video is not sponsored by Tiger Lights. If you guys are watching, give me a thumbs up or something. They're a 35 watt LED. It's that nice bright light you're looking for at night when you're moving snow and all you want to do is fall asleep. So let's put some Tiger lights on the Toolcat. This is without Tiger lights. This is a before. We're about to put them on the Toolcat. Show you guys what it's like without Tiger lights. You can see okay. But I bet we're going to see a big difference when we stick the Tiger lights on. Let's put them on. So it is a 1/2 inch socket. We're just gonna unplug the factory lights. Do a little unboxing. In the box you get some hardware, brackets, a jumper plug for different connections, nice heavy sturdy. Leave the sticker on, it says warranty voided if removed. It's just a fog plug. So we'll just put our factory bolts back in. Just a little bit wider on the light housing than the factory mount. Just spread it out a bit with your fingers. Simply plug them back in. Easy peasy. That is a huge improvement over factory. Crazy amount of light. Let's put the front ones on. A few minutes later. Yeah, they're a little bright. That's what you want. I can see. That is like 3 times better than factory, maybe 4. Try to find someplace darker. Yep, very nice. So, huge improvement over stock, easy to install, plugs into your factory plugs, tigerlights.com or your local Bobcat dealer. As always, guys, God bless. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll catch you on the next one.